Hello everyone, my name is Denise St and I am an epidemiologist at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. Epidemiologists, also known as disease detectives, study what makes people sick and how to prevent them from getting sick in the first place. I focus on infectious diseases, which are caused by all sorts of disgusting germs, viruses, and bacteria. Now, one of the most important things that you can do to stop the spread of infectious disease is something that everyone does every single day. This is something that you should be doing before you eat and after using the restroom. So take a guess. What do you think that it is? I hope that you said washing your hands. That's right. Soap and water are some of the most powerful tools that we have against germs. And they don't cost a lot of money, and you can find them almost everywhere, which is awesome. But I bet you don't know the science behind soap, and that's pretty awesome too. The secret behind what makes soap so powerful is in its molecules. Soap molecules have two parts. One that is hydrophilic, meaning that it loves water and is attracted to it. And the second is hydrophobic, meaning that it avoids water and is attracted to dirt and grime. Now, you may not know this, but most germs are covered by a fatty membrane that the hydrophobic side of the soap molecule is super attracted to. So, when you wash your hands in soap and water, the hydrophobic part of the molecule is trying really hard to get away from all of that water. So it digs its way into the fatty membrane around the germs. This breaks the germ apart and kills it. And that's how soap is able to fight germs. Pretty cool, huh? Now I'm going to show you a visual example of soap in action. So we're going to need soap, of course, a plate, milk, a couple of Q-tips, and some food coloring. Come on, let's go. So I'm going to start by taking the dyes and putting them into the milk. There's no real rhyme or reason to this. You kind of just do whatever you feel like doing and have fun. Okay, perfect. This is perfect. Okay, so now we have our dyes. Next, I'm going to take one of the Q-tips and I'm going to just dip it into the mix. And you can see that pretty much nothing has happened. Our Q-tip is pretty much saturated with dye, And so what we're going to try next is we're going to take a Q-tip, dip it into the soap, and then dip it into the mix and see what happens. So dip it into the soap and get it nice and coated. And then we're going to dip it here into the dye. Wow! And that reaction that we just saw is a result of the fatty molecules in the milk trying to avoid the hydrophobic molecules in the soap. And that is the science behind soap. Thank you all so much, and don't forget to wash your hands.